Ariel, happy birthday from Garland, from the IC Garland, Texas.
So go ahead, Mom. You can go ahead.
Bonet.
Hi! Hi! Mama, Pepe, Mariel, ang mga taga-Texas, ate, auntie, you greet na.
Greetings from IC Garland, Texas.
Manay Purita, happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. And ngayon, ako,
Malamig!
napakalamig at nag-ice, kaya hindi kami pumasok ni Sophie. Okay? Feliz cumpleaños.
Okay.
Okay,
It's
so
Sophia's turn.
it's Sophia's turn.
Hi, Grandma. Happy
Hi, Grandma.
birthday.
Hello,
Just
Pepe.
wanted to
Pepe,
greet
Mariel.
Mariel.
It's a very
Mama.
cold day today.
Happy birthday.
In Garland,
I
Texas.
know, yeah. Kaya ang
Look at the
kami.
tree. It broke.
Yeah. Naputol yung tree.
We were supposed to work today.
We're supposed to go to work today, but we called in because of the icy road. Yang tapos, anak, ate, can you video some of the icy whatever area?
There's ice
Yeah.
There's icicles. Those are icicles. Over there, these are with berries.
Yeah, look at that.
so pretty.
Yeah, it is so pretty. Yeah, Martha is in Denton and Esther is in Arlington. So they should be sending you greetings as well, okay? Happy birthday to everybody. Lalo na kay Mama and Kuya and Pepe and Mariel and Sammy. Siguro hindi yata daw makaka-join, right? Okay.